Hi viewers, in this video we will see about hatches. Everyone know about command? Everyone know about hatches. Okay, I'll make hatches, which area if I want, click, see anything if I want, make like pattern. In this, now I tell you about super hatch. This is we will use images. Okay, in hatch command we will use some patterns. Super hatch we will use image. Okay. Now see how I'll make super hatch images. I'll click some sky. Click something like bigger. Sorry, I closed this. Right. Just something like bigger. This is the scale depend how you want. Just click which area are inside this cell. See, anyway, if I this is the rectangle. Okay, super hatch image. If I use this like this smaller, see how it's come. This is the scale. How you click depend your area. Will use smaller, bigger like this. Circle. Okay. I'll use super hatch. SUP. I've used already come super hatch. I'll select image. Normal hatches will use some pattern, but super hatch will use some image. We'll use image to fill this area. Okay. Now I'll use super hatch. I'll use image. Yeah, I'm selecting this rectangle. And select. Now see rectangle image. Just like this. See, you know why this is? We let's say image. I'll use small area. See now another circle. I'll make super hatch image. Okay. Now this is covering image will cover the circle. See now use. Okay, anything if you want. Now see like this is boundary and example. This is build up area like okay just saw something. Okay, this is building. Okay, this is building. If you want like this explore. This is path. This is stone path. Just I'll draw something example. Okay, this is grass area, this is building, and this is stone. Like your image, I'll make super hatch image. Now I'll go for some grasses. I'll use this grass. Okay, how long I'll click like this, no, and click this area. See, this line also visible. Mm. Okay. If you use some grasses on AutoCAD, you may use like this. And this is marble or stone something if you want to make like super hatch image and go for marble just something. Okay, see, now copy to or okay, like if you want like this something, just make like this.